In this review of this weed whacker that the seller did send this to me to try out, I'm going to answer all your questions by showing you everything that it comes with. Then we're going to go ahead and go over the features of this and just show you how well it works. So when you do receive it, you are going to get some safety glasses. We've got a pair of work gloves right here. We've also got a battery charger here. It does have a 12-volt battery. And it does come with 4 of these blades. I've got one installed on the weed whacker itself right now. So we've got 3 right here, 1 on the weed whacker, and then we also have a 4-inch metal blade here. Now the weed whacker itself, the shaft is adjustable. You've got a couple of different sections here. You can use them all or take some of them out. So it is adjustable anywhere from 32 to 65 inches. Of course, the battery is located here on the back side. The charge time is right around 2 to 3 hours, and it has a run time of 20 to 30 minutes. Right here on the front, this is where our blades are, of course, located here. It does come with a guard. And then for the handle here, this is also adjustable too. So you can go ahead and adjust it anywhere up along the shaft. It does have a safety button here. So you've got to press this and press this at the same time. So in my yard, I've got a lot of these little bushes that pop up, and my string trimmer is just not strong enough to do that. And that's what I love about this with this blade. Look how it just pulls it down. I mean, it cuts it down really easily. It took care of those without any problem whatsoever. Hope you found this helpful.